Insta360 Ace Pro 2 Flash Print Bundle. Hopefully you can see that. I'll zoom in, I'll bring the camera in. I'm filming this with my X5. Let's see. I'm going to take the plastic off and then okay, let's see. What's in the box? Insta360 Ace Pro 2 with wind guard. 2 batteries, standard mount, mic cap, USB-C cable, quick start guide, Explorer Grip Pro Kit, pocket printer, flip screen hood, and the leather case. So I think this comes off the sides. Yep. Alright, so now we got just the box. And please tear here, it says. So, ta-da. Makes it easy. Opens up the box. Let's see what we got inside. Alright. There's the pocket printer. I'm looking forward to using this and taking it on motorcycle rides and taking pictures of motorcycles and that kind of thing and printing them out for people. I'll open that up here in a second when I get everything out. The Explorer Grip Pro Kit, same thing. I'll open that up in a minute. Flip screen hood. I like the thought of this thing. It'll protect it from sunlight so you can see that flip screen on the back of the camera. There's the leather pouch. Let's see. It's a leather pouch, nice magnet attachment there. And you've got a leather strap with, that's a corded, that's not elasticized like it looks like. Okay. I don't think I'll do any more video on that. And last but not least, certainly not least, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 8K AI powered action camera with 2 batteries. US exclusive. I don't know what that means. What's different in the US exclusive? And this comes with inside the camera, the 2 batteries, the standard mount, the mic cap, which is installed, USB-C cable, and a quick start guide. So let's see, shall we? This box here. This box around. My garbage. Alright, let's see. No more tabs. It just comes out. So there it is. Kind of got a rubbery feel to the box, which is strange, but okay. Rugged and waterproof to 39 feet, auto editing, flow state stabilization, 360 horizon lock, which is, I'm really interested in the 360 horizon lock. Means how I ride a motorcycle. So 1 battery should be in it. Yep, 1 battery's in it. 1 battery's in the box. That's how you open that, by the way. I didn't know. Okay, there's the extra battery. There's the mount. It's a magnetic mount that goes on the bottom underneath this. I've watched a lot of videos to see what this thing is and what it does, and Fun. Okay, that's for the mount. And this mount here, it's got a little picture that shows the front of the camera, line icon with the lens direction. Where's the icon? Oh, okay, so yeah, there's a lens on the front of that, so, oh, Jiminy Christmas. Butterfingers here. Maybe I'll edit that out. Maybe you get to see it, but anyway, the lens right there should go on the front. That's clipped in. I'm not sure I like that it doesn't like lock in. It's locked in. They have other ones that actually, like this one here, it's an aftermarket one that has a safety lock on it. So this same connection, oh, I just locked it. This same connection, in theory, I gotta put it on right. First time I've used this one. And you lock it down. That should lock it down, but I don't know what I'm doing. New mount. So anyway, this one goes on like that. Locks on. Stays on. Got a separate second mic cover. I don't know what this second one's for. The first one's for the wind. It should have foam in it and everything else. So I'll peel this off. Peel this off. Back screen already peeled off. You got two little releases on either side you have to press to flip that screen up. Okay. Put this back in here. Put this back in here. Get that. Looks like my cat's coming to visit. In this box is cable, silica gel, and the manuals. Got a quick start. Yeah, all the manuals for that. I'm just going to leave them in there. Okay. Put those back in there for now. I'm going to get this thing charged up before I can play with it. That goes back in there. Let's go to the flip screen hood. This should have the installation kit that comes with it, and that's this thing here. And then there's the flip screen hood itself. So this will go over that back screen, and then you flip it open and you get protection from the sunlight. Okay, I'll install that later. And this is the installation kit to get it on there, and application kit and all that stuff to make sure it's centered in the right spot. Otherwise it's not going to fit in the Grip Pro case and anything else. So put this back in here, back in here, this back in here. Okay, so this goes back. This goes back. Okay, so that's that. Okay. Let's open up the Explorer Pro Grip. That's in order there. Oh, that's why I gotta cut the tape off. us out with. Alright. This is the Insta Grip Explorer Pro Grip. Explorer Grip Pro kit. Looks like it's already got batteries. Saw something flash on it. This does come with a, I think a 2000 milliamp battery. It's actually heavier than I expected. I didn't expect it to be this heavy, but I like it. And the camera goes in there, close it up, plug it in. Then you've got your dial and your button and your zoom control. Got some good weight to it. I like it. This is going to be interesting. Okay, what else we have in here? Probably not much. What is this? Oh, this is the wrist strap, and then extra buttons, and then the red pin for the mic. So if you don't use a mic, which I'm not going to use my mic because I'll use this guy, and I'll have that mic and it doesn't need to plug in, so the red tip will go in there to protect it from water and dust. Alright, let's get this all back in the box so we can open up the pocket printer, and I can get it all plugged in and start charging and maybe play with it later tonight or tomorrow. Put it in there. Close it up. What else is in here? This is nothing. Alright, so there's a paperwork, goes on top. Pro grip goes in there. Some paperwork. Oh, I forgot to put this in there. Sorry it's such a long video. Maybe I'll edit some stuff out. Maybe I won't. I like it better when it's raw and pure, and yeah. And that goes. And just gotta open the pocket printer. And the pocket printer, I do believe it should come with at least one 10-pack of photo paper. Don't know anything about that yet. I haven't done anything with that, so. Alright, so the pocket printer, plastic. Alright, so let's see. Open that way. Keep opening that way. Tab. This must be the printer. This has got more weight to it than I expected also. I like it. Very good. That's how you load the paper in it. That must be power. There's the USB to charge it because it is Bluetooth. And then the film will come out there. And it will connect to the bottom of the camera. Let's see if I can get that figured out. Oh, it connects to the bottom of the Pro Grip. Let's not break anything on the first day. So it connects to the bottom of the Pro Grip somehow. That'll be, oh wait. Connects to the, no, it doesn't connect to that. Alright, well, I'll figure that out. Maybe I'll do another video. Who knows? Okay, I forgot to open up the case here and see what was in here with the printer. So in here with the printer is this attachment, which connects to the quick release on the bottom of the camera. This way, yeah, that way. You got a button on front to lock it in, and then this will go in just like so. So when you have the camera in there, you can have the printer underneath. So there you go. And it does lock in. I just didn't have it locked in. So, oh, and I guess it'll go in this way as well. So you can have it just connect it, I guess. I don't know. We will play with it and find out. So there it is. Ace Pro 3. Oh, I can't remember what I called it. Anyway, it's Ace Pro 3 with the printer bundle. Lots of fun stuff. So